How to turn green plants into variegated beauties, the secret behind two-tone leaves. Hey green friends! Welcome to the Green Home 001 channel. Today we're diving into a super interesting topic. How can we turn solid green plants into variegated ones? You know, those beautiful leaves with two different colors, usually green and white, or green and yellow. First of all, let's understand what variegation really is. Variegated leaves actually have less chlorophyll, which is the green pigment in plants. That's why some parts of the leaf appear lighter, white, or yellow, because they have less or no chlorophyll in those areas. Variegated plants are those whose leaves, flowers, or stems display multiple colors, including red, yellow, purple, burgundy, white, or cream. For example, the edges of the leaves may be red or white, or there may be cream-colored spots or patterns on the foliage. These plants are very popular because of their unique and eye-catching appearance. Their multicolored patterns add a special beauty to any space, and they look especially striking when placed next to solid green plants. Among indoor plants, the most well-known variegated varieties include pothos, sansevieria snake plant, and variegated ivy heterohelix. Types of variegated plants. Variegated plants come in 5 different types, each with unique characteristics. (1) Genetically variegated plants. Some plants are naturally and genetically variegated, meaning they have 2 or more colors by default. These plants are scientifically referred to as chimeras. Their variegation is stable and passed down through propagation. 2. Chlorophyll deficient variegation. Aside from genetically variegated plants, there are others that develop variegation due to a lack of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants responsible for keeping leaves and stems green. When a plant can't properly produce chlorophyll, it loses its ability to create chloroplasts, the structures that absorb light and give plants their green color. As a result, the plant starts showing other colors like yellow or white in its leaves, stems, or flowers. This type of variegation is directly caused by chlorophyll deficiency. 3. Reflective multicolor variegation due to leaf hairs trichomes. These variegated plants have fine hairs or fuzz on their leaves, which reflect light, whether it's sunlight or artificial light, in a way that makes the leaves appear multicolored. The leaves may look purple or reddish, and their color can change depending on the angle of the light. Well-known examples include coleus and plants that produce anthocyanins, a type of plant pigment. 4. Variegated plants with anthocyanin pigments. This group of plants gets its variegation from different types of pigments, especially anthocyanins. These pigments can cover or mask the green color of chlorophyll, giving the plant shades of red, purple, or burgundy. Some popular examples of plants with anthocyanin-based variegation include clovers, ornamental pineapples, and certain varieties of geraniums. 5. Iridescent or bubbly, variegated plants. These plants show their variegation through light reflection caused by a layer of air trapped beneath the epidermis of the leaves. This phenomenon creates silver or white shades on the leaf surface, giving the plant a shimmering, multicolored appearance. Some of the most well-known examples of bubbly variegated plants include Palea and the shimmering leaves of Dichondra silverfalls. Can you turn green plants into variegated ones? As we've discussed, variegated plants fall into different categories, each with a unique cause, such as genetics or specific pigments. Because of this, the idea that you can turn a regular green plant into a variegated one is actually a myth. No plant can be made variegated artificially. However, under the right conditions, it's possible to enhance or maintain existing variegation in certain plant species. In general, variegated plants require more care than regular green plants. Their difference lies in their multicolored foliage, stems, flowers, and specific care needs. How to care for variegated plants. To keep their vibrant patterns, variegated plants need plenty of natural sunlight. If they don't receive enough light, their variegation fades, and they may start reverting to their original green color. In many cases, a variegated plant will gradually lose its patterns and return to solid green if kept in low light conditions. That's why it's important to place these decorative plants somewhere bright, like next to a sunny window, to ensure they receive the light they need. When it comes to fertilizing, avoid using nitrogen and iron-rich fertilizers, as these can trigger green growth and reduce variegation. Instead, opt for fertilizers high in phosphorus and potassium, which help support leaf health and preserve their beautiful patterns. Variegation reversal, loss of color in plants and how to prevent it. There are many reasons why plants can become variegated, and they typically go through several stages to achieve this appearance. However, they can quickly revert to their original form. When variegated plants start losing their variegation and return to their original green color, they are experiencing reversal. Variegated plants that causes them to lose their multicolored pattern and revert to solid green. There are several reasons why plants experience reversal, and one of the main causes is improper lighting. Light is a crucial factor in maintaining the variegated features of a plant. When variegated plants don't receive enough light, they begin to lose their vibrant colors, and their leaves gradually turn green and shrink in size. For this reason, they need to be placed in a location with adequate lighting. Excessive light can also cause damage, such as burning or yellowing of the leaves, and will ultimately remove the variegation, causing the plant to turn fully green or yellow. Therefore, variegated plants must receive enough light but should never be exposed to intense, direct sunlight for prolonged periods. To prevent the progression of variegation reversal in plants, it's essential to trim off any newly green sections of the plant as soon as you notice them. This helps prevent the spread of the condition to other parts of the plant. Pruning the affected areas will help maintain the variegated nature of the plant. I'd be super happy if you subscribe to the Green Home 001 channel. Seedling. Together, we'll learn lots of fun and useful tips about plant care and growing healthy houseplants. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you.